Hi kids, today we are going to discuss about types of plants. We can see with the examples also. We see a lot of plants around us. They are different shapes and kinds. Some are tall and some are very short. We discussed about this in the last class. And even they grow everywhere. Some grow on land, some plants grow in water, some in hilly areas, and some in desert areas as well. So now we are going to learn types of plants. There are five types of the plants. The first one is herbs. Say everybody, shrubs, climbers, trees, creepers. Now we can discuss about the herbs. Even with the example also. Herbs, they are very small plants. Their stem is very soft and green. They can stand erect. Look at some examples I'll show here. Spinach, mint, coriander, and even grass also. So these are the examples of the herbs. Once again, what are these? What are the herbs? The herbs are very small plants. Even the herb stem is very soft and green. When we touch that, it will break. Is it no? Like that, it's very soft. Even then, they can stand erect. Straightly it can stand. Even look at here, spinach. Do you eat? This is one of the green leafy vegetable. Okay. Are you eating this spinach? Again, mint. Mint means pudina. What we are called in our language? Pudina. Coriander means kottambari. Grass, you know this. So these are the examples of the herbs. Next, we can discuss about shrubs. Look at the shrubs. Shrubs are taller than the herbs. They are bushy plants. They have hard and woody stem. They have thin branches. There are some examples I'll show here for the shrubs. Rose plant, even the jasmine plant, and the hibiscus plant. Not only these, still many plants are there. Even the cotton plant, mehendi plant. These are. Look at here. Shrubs. What are the shrubs? The tall shrubs are the taller than the herbs. Herbs are very small plants. Yes, right? So shrubs are taller than the herbs. Even they grow as bushy type. Bushy type means it's not only in one stick, not only in the one like a tree, one stem. There are many branches from the ground only, or above the ground only. Is it no? So that's why they are called the bushy plants, and they have hard and woody stem. How are there in the trees? There is a woody stem that's called the trunk. You know, like that. Even shrubs also they have the hard and woody stems. Even they have the many branches. They are in thin, not a thick. It's a thin. So the examples of the shrubs: rose plant, jasmine plant, hibiscus plant, still cotton plant, and mehendi plant. Okay. Now we can discuss about the climbers. Climbers, they have weak stem. They cannot stand straight. They need support to grow straight. Example of the climbers are, let's see, money plant, pea plant, and the grapevine. So climbers, did you see the climber plants around your home? So in our home only, everybody we are growing the money plant, right? So this is the, observe this plant in your house. When it's grow to upwards, it needs the support. Yes, no children? It needs the support. How? By the wall or the stick. So what about climbers? Climbers have the weak stem. So its a stem is very weak. Even they cannot stand straight also. They cannot stand straight. So it can climb. It can climb. How we can climb steps? Like that it can climb with the support wall or the stick. So which are the plant? Money plant, pea plant, grapevine or bean plant. So these are the example of the climbers. Now we can discuss about creepers. Creepers, they grow along the ground. They have weak stems. They crawl and creep as they have big and heavy fruits. The example of the creepers are pumpkin plant and the watermelon plant. See, look at the creepers. Creepers are, even these plants also, weak stems. Like a climbers, it has also weak stems. So they can grow along the ground only. It cannot climb on the wall or on the stick or anywhere. It can grow along the ground only. On the ground only it can spreads. How? They crawl and creep. They can spread on the ground only and it bear a big fruits. It bear very big fruits. Even it's more than 3 kgs, 4 kgs, 5 kgs. You know pumpkin plant? Do you know pumpkin plant? The pumpkin is very heavy. Is it no? Even the watermelon. Did you eat watermelon, children? Even that also, it's a very big fruit. So watermelon and the pumpkin plant and even the cucumber also. Cucumber, ash gourd. So these are all the creeper plants. Now let's discuss about one more type of the plant is there, that is the water plants. Sorry, let's discuss. I'll revise once again. Trees. They are big plants. They are very strong. They live for many years. They have many branches. They have hard and woody stem called trunk. Last class I was explaining. The examples of the trees are, you know that, peepal tree, even the coconut tree, neem tree and the banyan tree. So these are the examples for the trees. Look at mango tree, apple tree, orange tree. So these are the examples for the trees. Now let's discuss about some pictures of water plants, or in other words you can say aquatic plants. These plants grow in water. Which are that? That is the water lily and even lotus also. Lotus is our national flower. So lotus and water lily, these two plants grow in the water. So you can remember some points in this lesson. We can identify different plants by their flowers, leaves, fruits and trunk, as every plant has different leaves, flowers, fruits and trunk. So root always grow underground the soil. We obtain most of our foods from plants. I said in the last class. Plants need, so when the plants to grow, it's need the water, air, sunlight and soil to grow. So I'll give some questions. Can you solve this? I'll give some multiple choice questions. Can you solve, children? Okay, let's discuss. Trees have dash stems, short or hard. What is the correct answer? It's a hard stem. Roots grow dash the ground above or below? Below the ground. And the next question, leaves are dash in color, green or blue? Green in color. Rose is an example of dash, herb or shrub? Shrub. Next question, plants that need support to stand straight are called the climbers or creepers? Climbers. Pumpkin is a dash, creeper or climber? It's a creeper.